Good morning and welcome back. I know it's been a while, but we have been extremely busy getting our motorhome into a position where we're really happy with it. And today is the final piece in that jigsaw, which is the final upgrade of this year. Well, possibly. So I'm just south of Wrexham, or just north of Shrewsbury, depending on how you're looking at it, for the final piece of the year. There's some irony in it being probably the warmest day of the year, but great for solar. So I came last night and managed to get parked up in a pretty nice spot actually. It's a lovely little area that I managed to find. Pretty quiet, a few bips during the night. Bit of separation between the van and the road, which is good. Wonderful views, and the skies are bloody fantastic. I do hope that is not an overnight or no overnight parking sign. But anyway, got through the night. I think I got a ticket, and it's up a state, and I need to get moving. The van needs a clean. You cannot fault that. So I'm going to get back in the van, get squared up, make my tea and get off. Not far to go, let's get moving. I'm thinking it's the only time I'm going to get a chance to see underneath there. That looks really smart. And there she is. 4 kilowatt AutoTerm diesel heater installed. They did a great job down there. Really impressed with that. Put the control panel up here, and it is outstanding. Of course, I don't need it at the minute, the sun is shining, but we will do.